Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. It is truly overwhelming to witness the wood production process at the D.R. Johnson Mill in Oregon, from the initial stages to completion. Seeing these boards and knowing that they still have to go through the finishing stages, it is hard to believe that a 2x4x8 board costs only $3. This does not even account for the countless hours of human labor, fuel costs, and the efforts to harvest the trees from deep within the forest to bring them here. Every step in this process is truly a testament to the marvel of engineering and human labor. It is truly astounding. Aegerter Rudolph, along with Gerber, Siegenthaler in Schongau, Switzerland, has developed an innovative timber transportation system using the reformed Muli Transporter T8S. With a trailer and a 2-axle steering unit, this system is specifically designed to conquer steep and challenging terrains. Watching the vehicle effortlessly transport timber over rugged landscapes is truly impressive, showcasing their creativity and skill. Aegerter Rudolph not only provides an efficient timber transportation solution, but also offers various other services, such as fertilizer transport and special transport operations in difficult terrains. The Arges VZ 750D is an exceptional machine for handling large tree trunks. Watching it effortlessly crush massive logs leaves one in awe of its strength and outstanding performance. Designed to optimize the wood processing workflow, the Arges VZ 750D not only makes the job easier, but also significantly saves time and effort. It is truly a powerful and reliable tool, delivering absolute satisfaction to its users. We are truly grateful to the loggers in Georgia for the paper products their trees produce. What is admirable is that they often replant new trees, ensuring environmental sustainability. The trees harvested this time are pulpwood, used to make diaper liners, and are being transported to the Weyerhaeuser paper mill in Oglethorpe, Georgia. This mill was later sold to International Paper Company. Their contribution is indeed significant in our daily lives. The Growy Wood Splitter, combined with a winch, is efficiently splitting beechwood. This combination demonstrates powerful and precise capabilities in handling tough logs, making the work easier and quicker. This equipment is truly an invaluable assistant for anyone needing to process large quantities of beechwood professionally and efficiently. Glenn Kafka, the founder of Kafka Granite, has turned his vision into reality with modern and unique equipment. Currently, Kafka land clearing can uproot stumps at a rate of 4.5 acres per hour, revolutionizing the industry. The collaboration between Kafka Land Clearing and Savannah Global Solutions not only enhances efficiency, but also provides effective wood waste recycling solutions for biofuel plantations, land developers, and farmers worldwide. This is truly a remarkable advancement in land clearing and recycling technology. The John Deere 1170E with the H414 harvester head is truly a masterpiece of modern forestry technology. When the machine operates, it's like witnessing a perfect performance of power and finesse. The H414 harvester head moves smoothly, yet powerfully, effortlessly handling large tree trunks with absolute precision. More than just a tool, the John Deere 1170E H414 is a symbol of progress, making timber harvesting both efficient and inspiring. Amid the challenging timber hauling task in Roantuku, the Jauk AG Alsace team showcased remarkable creativity and teamwork. When faced with an impassable stream, driver Ferdy ingeniously constructed a bridge using 70 cubic meters of wood and 2 baskets of dispersion materials. This 2-meter-high and 20-meter-long bridge allowed him to cross the stream safely, keeping the water clean and the stream bed intact. The image of Ferdy working alongside the truck driver, always ready to assist and enjoying the moment being filmed, is truly inspiring. This is a testament to the ingenuity, teamwork, and passion in forestry work. The Morbark 30RXL Skeeve Hug, a 2009 Chippervester model, still operates as powerfully as it did on day one. Equipped with a Cat C27 diesel engine delivering 1050 horsepower, this chipper is truly a symbol of strength and durability. Watching it effortlessly process large logs is awe-inspiring. The Morbark 30RXL stands as a testament to superior quality and enduring technology, providing high performance and absolute satisfaction to those working in the forestry industry. In the icy winter landscape, with temperatures dropping to -14 degrees Celsius, the Picursa Mulcher, Fighter 2600, and Hammer's 2600 are showcasing their exceptional power. Despite the harsh conditions, they continue to operate smoothly, effortlessly chipping old apple trees in the orchard.